Hey everyone, meteorologist Jacob Dickey here in the WCBI First Alert Weather Center. I wanted to bring you with your weekend update. It is Saturday night / Sunday morning for us here. Let's get right down to business. Looking ahead, the summer weather will continue for us, and as it does so, we keep the heat with the isolated showers in the afternoon through the middle part of this week, but I think by this weekend, this upcoming weekend, we will see fall finally make its way in. For tonight, we'll keep the chance for an isolated shower or storm through 7 p.m., but they will fizzle out. We'll fall into the low 70s and upper 60s overnight. 69 will be our low in Tupelo, 67 in Bruce, 67 in Iuka. We'll get down to 68 in Columbus, 67 in Starkville and West Point. If we get down to the mid-60s in places like Eupora, Ackerman, perhaps into Carthage, Philadelphia, some of those folks with the temperatures in the mid-60s maybe could see some patchy fog, but I think most, if not all of us, will stay clear of that. Our low tonight in Vernon will be 68. In Aliceville, we will drop down to 69 under partly cloudy skies. Those showers fizzle out by Saturday evening there, and to Sunday morning we start the day off dry. Can't rule by the afternoon into the evening, perhaps a few pop-up showers. Better chances in the Delta and along Interstate 55. But we'll keep the chance in there at 20% for those of us into West Alabama. And that's pretty much the typical pattern that we're expecting. Again, just a 20% chance of showers in the afternoon. Temperatures are back up to near 90. We'll be having that light southeast wind, partly cloudy skies. It will be another hot, sticky Sunday for us. Now, as we look at those highs, then 90 in Columbus, 89 in Tupelo, 89 in Louisville. We get to 87 in Oxford, 88 in Aliceville, 92 in DeKalb. So we're all within a degree or two of 90, and that's where we'll sit for our Sunday. Things do change. This is Tuesday into Wednesday. We'll keep the heat through Wednesday, but then Wednesday night we'll watch a first weak cold front slide on through. Behind it will be just some slightly drier air, but the real change will happen as we head into Friday, into next weekend, as this cold front pushes through. And behind it, we will get some much cooler air as a high pressure sets up over the Central Plains. That will funnel in some Canadian air into as far south as the Gulf Coast, and because of that then, we will really get some cooler weather in next weekend. It will be our first weekend where it feels like fall. Quick check in the tropics. We have Hurricane Maria as of Saturday afternoon, still a Category 3 off the coast of Florida. It is moving off to the north. Forecast track does take it by Monday. Still looking at the Carolinas. Some of the outer bands could impact. And it brings it a little bit close there to folks along the Carolina coast into Virginia, but then steers it to the right by Thursday. We'll still see some rain and some gusty winds in the mid-Atlantic from this, but I think the worst of the storm stays offshore and carries it off to the east. Here's that 7-day forecast. You'll love what we see later on this week into next weekend. I put upper 70s on Saturday. I think some of us could struggle to get into the mid-70s if things pan out as suggested, so we can deal with the heat and the humidity through Wednesday, perhaps into Thursday. By Friday and Saturday, we'll get the change that we've been waiting for. We'll have your next update on Sunday afternoon. I'll be in, and we'll bring you the latest here from the Twin States.